still over there. And everybody's still over there. They're gonna constantly keep going. He is throwing this thing. He is throwing it.
Heck yeah, he throwing the heck out.
You know how to drive too.
That little shit go up there and start doing it.
Oh, that's the perfect car to do it in.
Oh, he doing it. Yeah.
You know how to drive it too. He is standing circle.
He got rims on too, Mom. Doing it.
And probably whoever had this car was doing it too.
Whoever had this car?
Yeah.
She saying he gonna have no tires though. He don't care.
He got money. He on flat.
If this truck right here would get out there and start doing it, he gonna be going ham.
He gonna be going out the damn door.
See, he already switched his wheels around. Look
Mm-hmm.
on.
My mom get her wheel switch and get her front alignment fixed. We could be doing it. Cause that front alignment gonna throw us out. Yeah, that front
We all
alignment
gonna go
ain't
different ways.
fixed. Look, we're gonna go one way, the other way, the other way. Yeah, you gonna have to back up. You gonna get out. Cause you ain't gonna get out. You gonna just sit here for the rest of the time.
Everybody sitting out there.
You pull out this way and back up, you get out. Oh, is that BMW? That's over there. It's BMW over there.
That's that
This
burnout
Jeep,
area right
this Jeep right here. Oh my God,
Yeah,
that's a limited edition Jeep. It looks like it.
What?
The limited edition. That's what this look like. The limited edition.
She gonna get it. She's something I gotta find
If I get a car, it would have to be at like a house or something. I don't know.
I got like 6 cars at home. 7, I got 10 at home.
She did not look impressed. She did not look impressed. She looked like she was mad. Like I came up here for no reason. I was not impressed. Mom, let me get over there.
Go on over there.
Look, get out
All
of
of
the
them
dress.
is sitting in
Oh,
the line like they about to burn.
look, you say you can do it. Go prove yourself. Look, everybody gonna be recorded. Go prove yourself.
Can nobody get over there?
Oh no, don't you dare.
That ain't. I'm just scared as you are, cause your mama. I don't trust her behind the wheel.
I don't touch doing no burnouts.
I don't trust her doing driving it.
This 5 burnouts and we gone. No burnout. Mama, don't do burnouts. We have friends.
Oh, he got 4-wheel drive. He's trying to burn out with 4-wheel drive. He got that Mustang over there and it's 4-wheel drive.
You can't get it.
You better put yours in 2-wheel drive if you're gonna do it, cause your 4-wheel drive gonna kill us. It's hard to do a burn out 4-wheel drive. That crap ain't easy.
Or a truck, another truck. Another truck. Everybody out there getting it.
Get some big ass. You got rating
It's
there?
the show out section. There was something behind it.
We need to get a lot of muffler. We need to get a water muffler.
Yep. They go a truck with tires on the back.
Look, this that Mustang that was trying to do the burnouts earlier.
That's probably his homeboy. Come bring him some tires.
Nigga, I heard you say you need a tire. No, I needed 2 tires. I burned you 2. Yeah, I
He
burned
got
you
like
1.
4 on the truck.
Look, this that Nissan.
Oh, that jump spring.
Yeah, they got gloss finish. Mom, you're not gonna never get out. You better turn that way for this truck come through. And
No, they better get it going.
Ow, Mom, they not gonna move.
They ain't not moving them. Half of them is out of the car.
Oh, the cop coming. You better
Shit me. Time to go.
Hell on, back up. You got it, go ahead. Jack that thing, back it up.
I told you to pull that way.
Yeah,
We
Popo
gone.
coming.
Hey, we should see him watch.
The only time they come.
Look, go that way, go that way. We can see him watch. They better clear out the parking lot.
The cops heard it and said, who can watch it? Ooh, I need more cops.
He's still going.
Oh, that's one right there.
Well, he was just going to the cop car.
Hey, look, he gonna do when it comes to here too, and just gonna take off on. Oh look, it's two of them. It's a van over there doing it. You see it? It's all freaking. It's one of those vans.
You gotta go out that way. Go that way just to see it and park and look at it.
This car right here is nice.
That's a low
Oh,
ride.
he got little rooms on.
That's a low ride. That's in California. You go
We
down
don't care about the cops.
from the hottest stars out there.
See it.
Mm-hmm.
We can do burn us if we want to, God.
Mom, is your car in four-wheel drive right now? It's in a four-wheel. Put it in two-wheel.
Well, if
You should put it in
don't
two-wheel.
we'll catch it.
It will help with your friend. Look, this a Hellcat Challenger over there. You see it? It's purple.
What is that behind him? What is that?
It's a truck. It's a Ram. Look, Mom, there's your car right there. It's a white one, and there's a Ram right here coming over.
See,
They got a RTS.
do cops have to pay for their stuff?
Oh, you hear it? You hear that? That's the Charger that made that noise.
They got a Thunderbird out there, though.
A Thunderbird where?
Up there.
You want to do something?
No, hit this motorcycle.
All it is. Look at that.
Oh, his front. Yeah, his front license. Oh, he got the. Oh, he got the good
right
con.
side.
Yeah, he got the good con.
Yeah.
The right side drivers are the good con.
That's why I said I'm gonna get people and need it flag. I'm getting the fast side.
He go. No, never mind. I thought they was gonna stop. Weekend like usual.
I don't want to cut right.
Oh, that sounds good too.
Ain't damn grandma said resting in a Jeep like that.
Going to the super truck.
Hey, Kennard, is this what I think it is coming around?
What?
This car right here. No. Okay. I thought it was something else. I thought it was something else. Look at this truck though.
I just want a fool instead.
No, that's one thing.
Maybe one was to go I can't say it.
But he parked in gas station set on his Charger.
Hey, we're gonna be out here one day.
Yeah, we are.
Make it know.
Look. Oh, they got a guy on a motorcycle. They took him down. Oh no, he passed out. So like, the firefighters over there.
We're doing a figure eight.
Oh, they just wrecked. Oh, they just fucking wrecked.
You want to make around?
I'll get ready to turn around.
Turn
But I'm going to
around.
turn safely.
Yeah.
He tried to get over in front of the other one and there it went.
I know he mad.
You think he ain't?
You gotta go check.
Hey, look, he about to get the dirt bike out. Hey, get that dirt bike out. You know you want to ride? Wow.
Okay, look at you.
It's yellow lace. You go, Mom.
I don't know where they...
You go. They getting this guy right here on the motorcycle.
Yeah, probably.
He's like, get out the car.
Yeah, this is juicy right here.
This is what I was talking about when we came by. You get caught recording this.
That cop said get out of the car.
He fell off his phone.
Yeah, because all his parts is right here.
He says a car park on the side.
That's 2 minutes of lights.
That's a Subaru right there, wasn't it? A Subaru.
That would be on his insurance.
It ain't over.
I know.
Thank you, please.
Fell off his bike.
I'm going up here to hoot at the person that yelled get out of the car.
Get out of the car. It sounds like Jalen. That kind of stuff.
Oh, I know. I was probably got that hit him. I know he whooping ass. If he's smart, he would be.
I heard someone say get out of the car.
Clock knows what it
Where they at? Did they pull over? Is that them
I
over
guess
there?
they over there.
Like he was like deep.
Oh, they did? They're over there. Look, they over
is.
there.
Sheriff right there.
They over there. Because it was a Cadillac that hit them.
Yep.
Yeah, they over there.
Right there. I mean, he won't by the sheriff. It's a Subaru.
Cause the car went around him. He had flying and trying to cut in front of him, and there they went. Yeah, I guess.
Take off.
Yeah. I know the cops are saying, see, this is why we don't do this shit. It's Corona time. Damn it, too many people out.
We don't have enough Corona beers. Extra Corona.
We ain't got no fucking masks.
Cops ain't coming out here. You gonna let y'all hide. That's what they doing. Won't be you down.
Yeah, ain't nobody 6 feet apart out here. Nobody.
Nope.
Oh, he didn't come over here. Yeah, tight. But this the hippie van.
If everybody bored, this is what it is.
I mean, shoot, ain't nothing else better to do at this time.
Yeah, I just gotta work on my
The car show, yeah, we gonna do burnouts and crash maybe.
Oh no.
Oh, look, he didn't cut the lights on though. Front. Hey, look at this truck, no? Oh, it's an FX4. Off-road, you hear me? Look at these rims. Oh.
Yo, he was had his hydraulics going down.
This right here, I'm like, it sounds like a cinema.
My baby happy she in with her family.
That little.
Her lights going. That little thing, that little twinkle toe she got on. She got her some twinkle toes.
Mama, you passing?
Look at that home. It's a big home.
If I can get these people's cars.
What you trying to say, man? You want to rob them?
No, I just want to ride the car.
You mean riding in the car, not riding on the car?
Yeah, ride in the car.
Look at this Hellcat Challenger.
Ooh, that's
Oh my
nice.
gosh.
I like your car.
Like your car. Oh my god.
Very nice.
Oh, that was a Hellcat. That's a supercharged Demon.
Ooh,
That's the new one. I thought it was a Hellcat. It looked
I
like a
ain't see
Hellcat.
nobody with no red eye.
Mama, that's a limited edition car. You're not gonna see that car that often. That was him. Oh, this car right here. Yes. Alright, now you gotta be all mad. Hey, look, he needs to get out of the street because he might get killed. This Mercedes nice. You look at the window and see those lights. That back light. Truck gang on gang. You hear me?
I got to pee.
You gotta pee?
Yeah.
You wanna pee right here?
Yeah, I'll put it
Mom,
Go ahead. I'll wait.
let me take a pee right with you. No, I was playing. No, I ain't got really. I do kind of gotta pee, but I just didn't say nothing. I know she like, you better not drive me. Okay, I won't. Let's hit the gears real quick on her.
She already got her ass hanging out. She gonna be dragging it.
That's a Firebird right there. Get your train horn, get your muffler fixed, get it louder, get your lights working good, get some more lights, get the headlights working good. Definitely get those working good. Get a new battery to support the lights. And Kenora, did you hop in the car with somebody else?
That's why I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, there you go. Hey, tell her I got 50 on the lights. I'll put them on the car.
Make sure, because it was a cop sitting right there.
Hey, look at this Mustang. Look at this Mustang.
There's a cop over there. He ain't caring. You doing all that? He's sitting right there.
Hey, y'all. Oh, mama, go over there.
Hell no, don't you see the cops over there?
I don't give a.
One stop.
Turning out over there, you can see them.
One stop enough.
Got his
It's enough for
lights on,
today.
wheel and everything.
Yeah, you already got pulled over one time. I just thought about that.
Hold on.
Look, the same kind of get you. Oh, hey, don't be coming over here.
No,
Because I'll beat your tail. Because you would get all that whooping that the first people
I'm
was
gonna
trying
grab
to
that crowbar and that's gonna be that.
Hey, look, they recording your car. She recording your car. Your car look good, mom. If you recording your car, you got recorders. That car gonna end up on YouTube.
I must be a rebel.
It's because she got lights on in her rims. Mom, put it in rear wheel drive. Slide it over and go on rear wheel. Huh?
Let's really stop.
What is that right there? Audi?
Yeah. No.
Audi.
No, it's not.
What you trying to say?
It's not an Audi.
It's an Audi.
That's not an Audi.
It's an Audi.
No, it's not.
Yes,
It's
it
not an
is.
Audi. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Mom, let's go that way. That's not an Audi.
It's an Audi.
That's not an Audi. I'm telling you, bro. That's not an Audi.
It's an Audi.
No,
I done
listen.
rolled past Cookout like 20 times to tell my man was gonna get her something.
Hey,
to eat.
nice car. All right, Joe. You ain't gonna listen. I'm gonna throw something at you. Ain't your red hand mama. I like your car. All right. You don't want to listen. I'm gonna throw this Coke bottle at
You're
you.
better than I.
Mom, hit him. Put him. Wheel drive. You scared? Because it being like that, well, it wasn't like that when she bought it, but she put it in four-wheel drive. Tay actually put it in four-wheel drive. And then she took it out four-wheel drive and then put it right back in, which I don't know why. Put it in rear-wheel drive. We need all forwards going.
So we can get down the street.
guy that was beside us.